What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're going to be talking about the market cap and the slight pullback that we're seeing currently. As of right now, we're seeing a lot of red. It's on most coins, but if you notice that it's not huge dips. Like, we're not seeing most things in the negative 20s to negative 30%. That's whenever it's a little worrisome. Right now, we're just seeing a little bit of a correction, which is actually kind of nice to see. In order for it to be a healthy growth in anything, stocks, cryptocurrencies, just about any market, you have to see corrections and pullbacks. And I think that's what some people don't understand is, like, if it's going to go up, it has to come down. So from here, we got up in the last, let's check out 7 days. We saw it get up to $519 billion, almost 520. And that was as of yesterday, the 17th of February. So, and from there, we've seen it pull back all the way down to 478. So about a $50 billion drop, and then back up a little bit. But that's after its steady growth all the way from it's been steady growth all the way from 411. So just kind of been on the up and up. So it'll get up some, pull back a little bit, going up some, pulling back a little bit. That's the kind of stuff I like to see, guys, to be honest with you. I love to see, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. And then 2 steps forward, 1 step back. That's what I like to see. It's whenever we had the ridiculous growth a few months ago, 3 months, that we saw it go from here all the way up to, you had one pullback right there, but other than that, all the way up to $824 billion for the market cap. So we more than tripled the market cap, almost quadrupling the market cap in just a couple months. That was too fast. That was 10 steps forward, and then we saw 9 steps back. That was scary, and I know you guys were worried. So many people FOMOing, pulling money out, and there's also other reasons and causes for stuff like that. But whenever you have something shoot up so fast, you're going to see it shoot down pretty much just as quickly. So we really only got 1 step forward because, it got all the way down to 280, and that was coming from around 233. So just 233 to 280, so $50 billion more. And that's only a few months away. So we saw it go up 10 steps and back 9. So we only ended up 1 step ahead. So that's why I kind of like to see these 2 steps forward, then 1 step back. 2 step forward, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of progress, a little bit of a correction. A little bit more progress, a little bit of a correction. Just, here and there. Not steady. I want steady growth. I don't want to see these market just blow up and then crash the next day. I don't like to see that. That's not healthy. So I think we're still doing really good. And I think that the market is still due for a very nice bull run. And we're going to be seeing a lot of these coins reaching back to where they were prior to the crash. Seeing, Bitcoin revisiting $20,000 here in the next, probably a month and a half, 2 months. Same for Ripple, hopefully getting back up around $3. Ethereum over 1,200. Litecoin revisiting 350, even higher than that with all the stuff that it's going through and doing right now. Guys know we're huge on Tron. I think Tron could easily just blow up, but I really would prefer some steady growth. This is the kind of stuff that I like, is steady growth. I really want to see it just kind of rise gradually, knowing that this is a solid investment, not just people dumped money in there or a whale pump and dumped it and then you didn't get off the train fast enough or the bus fast enough, and then you watch it crash back down. I don't like to see that. I want to see it steadily grow and having a good community behind it. And that's what I really like about Litecoin. I think Litecoin is one of those things that can really steadily grow and keep getting bigger and bigger as the community gets bigger and as Litecoin keeps putting out new stuff for them and keeps improving upon what they already have. So I think I'm really excited. I'm really excited about what's going to come up in the next year of 2018 with all cryptocurrencies. I'm excited for Litecoin. I'm excited for Tron. I'm excited to see, no matter what, I don't necessarily put too much money into Bitcoin because I really like altcoins and their ability to get major gains, but Bitcoin has always been the safest bet. And I really want to see Bitcoin kind of see it keep its dominance and just kind of getting up to $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 by the end of the year. And you know, people are always saying, you know, Bitcoin could hit $1 million within, you know, the next like 30, 40 years. I don't know if that's possible, but it's really gonna do good. And I'm excited to see where all of this leads us, because I think we're all gonna get rich one day, and we're gonna be telling our kids about it. Like, yeah, you remember that crash that happened? I put a lot of money in from right there, son. I said, when people get scared, that's when I invest. When people are happy and excited about something, that's when I pull my money out. Because you always want to buy the dips, sell the highs, guys. And this honestly might be one of our last chances to get the dip. Although I would not consider this the biggest, this is not the best part of the dip, it is still a decent price on some coins. Some coins have already surged back up, but some coins are still sitting at where they were in the last, like, whenever the market cap was all the way down to the 200s, $200 billion and plus. Some of the coins are still where they are when they were right there. Even though we're back up to here on the market cap of, you know, closing in on the $500 billion, they're still at the same prices they were here. So there are still some decent buying opportunities that I think you should go check out. Some of those still being Send, Voice Coin. Some of them are still sitting pretty and good buying opportunities, but that's up to you. I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. So do your own research and your own due diligence. And let me know, guys, in the comments, like, what coins have you seen that are still at a good buying opportunity and are ready for this bull run and probably will take off in the future pretty soon. And as usual, you know, like, comment, mash that subscribe button, and let me know how you're keeping up with crypto, and I'll see you in the next video.